Guys, it's Talia and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I decided to film my fire red eyeshadow makeup tutorial. I'm gonna share with this video with you guys. It's really very smoky, very fiery, very red. You got the orange tones, you got a little bit of splash of yellow going on. Love how this look turned out. It turned out very pretty and I'm just obsessed with this look. If you guys are new, my name is Talia. Welcome to my channel, guys. I'm so glad that you guys are here with me and watching this video. That really means a lot. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below. Just hit that red button and the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Just get started with the video. Start off with my eyeshadow, and the two palettes I'm going to be using is my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm also going to be 3502 Morphe palette, like a red fire eyeshadow look. So let's go first with the Take Me to Brazil palette. This palette, I'm just only going to use one eyeshadow shade. The shade that I'm going to be using is this yellow shade right here. And I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush and go ahead and dip in with the yellow shade. Focus as my base of my crease, going below of my crease and kind of like in the center of my crease. And with this shade, I'm not swirls around my eyeshadow base. I take it brighter as I can, the yellow to stand out. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe 3502 palette. The first shade I'm going to be taking is this orange shade right here. And I'm going to be taking a different brush of the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Apply it. I'm not going to go upwards of my yellow shade. I do want the yellow to reflect with the orange and with the red. So I'm going to be careful and just apply it like in the center of my eyelid. And just kind of like do swirls and kind of like smudge it and bring it down as the bridge to my inner corner. Fire red shade right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and take my e.l.f. blending brush. With this shade, I'm definitely gonna dip a lot of it, and of course tap the excess of my brush. With this red shade, I'm actually going to apply it at the outer corner of my V, and basically with this shade, I am just going to like blend it in and kind of like smudge it. Like to go kind of near of my bridge, heading towards the inner corner of my eye. What I like to do is I just like to blend it and kind of smudge it so I could get that really nice red reflect and kind of look very smoky. Now we're gonna go back with the orange shade. Just want to blend all the colors. Now we're going to go back with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm going to go in with the yellow shade, blend the top, just so the yellow can reflect with the orange and red. I'm going to take my Colourpop concealer and I'm going to take some back of my hand and do a cut crease. Next, I'm going to be going in with this gold shimmer shade. Apply this. I'm just going to go back with the red shade and red edges of my outer V and kind of blend in with the cut crease. That way it can be more like an ombre effect on the eyeshadow. For the lighting, guys, but you can see how red it is, and then it goes to an ombre, and then it reflects with the gold shimmer. We're gonna finish up just our basic face, and for primer, I'm gonna go ahead and use my e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. I'm gonna focus on the nose, kind of like in my cheekbone area, and around my chin. I'm gonna go ahead and spray Badescu. foundation, I'm going to be using my Milani Conceal Perfect foundation. This is Creamy Vanilla. I'm going to go ahead and apply 3 dots on my face and my foundation. For concealer, I'm going to go in with my Tarte concealer, and this one is the shade Fair Beige. Go ahead and apply it on my chin and down the bridge of my nose. I'm just going to go ahead and just blend my concealer. To contour, I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution concealer. This one is C11. Blend my concealer. Go in with my Becca setting powder. I'm going to go ahead and set my under eye. My nose area. My chin. And then my mouth area, because that's where it kind of gets a little bit crazy. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove the powder around my under eyes, my nose, and my chin. Go in with my Hoola Benefit Bronzer. Bronze up my face. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply it on my forehead area. For blush, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Wet n Wild Mellow Wine blush. Very lightly, I'm just going to go ahead and apply the blush. I'm going to be going in with my e.l.f. Makeup Mess and Set Spray. Go back with the Morphe 3502 palette, the orange shade, and my bottom lash line. And what I like to do with that shade is I like to go with the orange and kind of connect it with my eyeshadow. And with the red shade, and I'm going to go ahead and apply my bottom lash line, but kind of in the outer V. Just so it can be a little bit smoky in the bottom lash line. And take my e.l.f. eyeliner, go ahead and do a wing, because I'm going to try to do a wing, and I'm going to try to do my best. I'm not creating wings, but I'll do my best here. Superhero A Cosmetic Mascara. My mascara in my bottom lashes. For highlighter, I'm going to go in with my Kylie Cosmetic, and this one is Banana Split, which is this shade right here. Apply it on my tip of my nose, down the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow area, bit on the forehead area. A Kylie Cosmetic Dolce K lip liner. For lipstick, I'm going to go in with my Kylie Cosmetic Birthday Suit lipstick. With my setting spray and just set everything in place. This is the final look. I really love how this look, the eyeshadow turned out. It turned out very pretty, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you guys really love this look. And if you guys really did, just give it a huge big thumbs up. That's pretty much it, guys. I just enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.